Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to continue about our product updating things and all. So in previous video we have learnt about how to update that URL thing. For example, when we were adding, we added that Slug URL, custom URL, right? So in previous video we have covered that. So guys, now in this video we will be covering about how to add these products. Okay, so for example, I have made one structure for it. So we'll just go through with that. So guys, as we were continuing this electronics and other items, we'll be adding it. So now when you enter electronic products, mobile accessories, laptop accessories, TV features, so everything will be entered according to it. Okay, so for example, if you enter a mobile product, then you are going to enter MI, Samsung, Sony, Nokia brands. So under that MI product, all the types of products will be coming in. So same way for men and women. So for men footwear, if you check footwear, so there you will be searching for footwear like sports, casual, formals. So under that sports types of shoe will be coming. So same with shirt and pants and jeans. So comes under type of it, right? So same way with the women's footwear too, and other things. So guys, finally I'll just show you this output over here. So this is our group category, group thing, where we are entering this electronics, appliance, men and women, right? So same way I have added some details in the category thing about electronics, appliance, men and women, right? So electronics, all types of electronic comes under mobile accessories, mobile, laptop accessories, television, feature products. And for the men, we have added, see here, t-shirt, shirt, footwear, jeans, and pants, footwear, top footwear, pants, pajamas, ethnic wear. This is for the women's, right? So there might be some confusion about it, right? So we will be getting confused. So that is to not get confused for the customer or your client. You have to make separate user interface for user friendly, separate design to manage these products, right? Because this is okay for the developers but not for the users or the clients. So you need to make a separate group, like if they click electronics, all types of electronic, mobile, laptops, it should open in that same page. So if they click mobile, only mobile details should be shown, not like this, mobile, then shirt, footwear. So it will be differentiate. So that type of things we have to make it. So right now we have just added this data as a developer side and making the project completed. So guys, now let's that these things will be made into next videos, and now in this video we will just show about how the products are managed, right? So let's continue. So under mobiles are Nokia, MI, Samsung, other types of brands are coming for mobile accessories, charger, battery, and laptop and shirt, pants, footwear. So it types of categories you can create as I have said you in this example. Clear? So guys, now let's go to product, and over there I will show you these are the products. So just for example, I have given Redmi Note 7 Pro, so it comes under MI brand, and MI brand comes under mobile comes under electronics. So it is going with that format. So now with the MI Note 8 also your products is changed. Then HP comes under laptop. So these all brand product management, how to go and frame where you should pick all these details, I will show you in next video. This user friendly things will be done for the customers or your clients or users. Done. So guys, now what we are going to do in this video, we will be doing about showing this electronics to do the shopping, right? So guys, now here in the front end I have shown you over here, see some design I have completed it. So this is our navbar, and below that navbar I have made electronics, appliance, men and women. Okay, so this is coming from here, this table. So I'll just show you the code because the time is very less for this, so I have just made it short to show this. So guys, now as simple, this was our navbar, right? So you can see your navbar, I've just removed all unwanted things, which is white background, scrolling navbar, and sticky top, made into one div tag, and then included in a container fluid, and made a row of column and stored that navbar into one column. And then the same process for the second sub navbar, and call the model of groups to show that the details of that products groups over here, electronic appliance men and women. So these table data I have shown by doing this code. Done. So guys, now so let's get started with the coding part to show the products on your user interface. Okay, so now if I click electronics, my URL will be shown as electronics, right? So instead of this showing electronics over here, you have to do collection/electronics will be giving it. So let's make a URL change a little bit. Let's type URL, open bracket, close bracket. Inside single quotes, I'm going to type collections, collection, /, and then concatenate, and then call this URL. That's it. Now let us save this and let us call it. Let me save, and then let's reload this page, and now click on this electronics or appliance, anyone. So let me click on electronics. You can see collection/electronics. So inside collections we have to get electronics item page. So guys, let's create the simple page. So let's click Ctrl B to open this sidebar. Let me close this file. As simple first step, we will be going to routes web.php, and over there we will be setting our routes, right? So guys, as you can see, we need it out, so it want to be public. So let's give collection, make it route : get method. I'm going to use, what's this one step front? Let me make it back. Okay, so I'll just tell this as frontend, so will not be confused over here. Let's make it collection, I mean not this electronics. Let's call that URL, same thing, collections, call that collections /, and then call your URL. So URL means group. So electronics, that items will be like called as groups. So group URL, you can mention this, and then go to your controller, right? So over there controller, we will call it as our front end. Inside front end /, we'll go to collections controller, collection controller at group view. Okay, so let's copy this. Let's copy this, and you have to make a controller. I have already made that controller. Let's go to HTTP controller. Inside front end, we are going to collection controller. Over here, we will be following up that. So let's create a function, public function group view function, and call the page. So let's return view. What you are going to return? The page name. So that page name will be inside front end folder, collections of what you are going to view. Collections means you are going to view that collections data, group data. So we'll give group only. So let's copy this group, not group we are going to view. We are going to view that product. We can tell that as category. Okay, so we will mention that category things, because if we click group anyone, so we are going to open that category page. So we'll just tell as category. So let's copy this, So let's move on below. Inside resource folder, views folder, we will follow up with front end. Inside front end we follow collections. So inside that collections we are going to create a file called category.blade.php over here. So now this is a fresh page, and let me include the files of front end, extend those files, collections extended. Let me close this, we don't need collection. And you can call your meta tags and all SEO tags if you have included in your this things of your category. So right now we didn't include over here, as you can see. So let me click on edit, let me check it once if we have added any SEO tags. So right now we don't have any SEO tags. You can add your custom things and create one more column for SEO purpose. So right now we'll ignore that and we will move on with it. So collections we comes under insert collection, category we will just mention directly now. So guys, now over here let's create a simple design for it. So let's move on container, row, column MD 12. Done. So over here we will fetch the details. So for now we will just give h4 tag, and we want some data. Hey, we will give and we will fetch those data. So first we will go to our controller. So now what we are passing through this web route, the group URL, right? So let's go to this controller. Let's tell $group is equal to your groups model, where not groups model, we want to find that category, right? So we have to first pass that $group URL. So I'm passing this URL. Okay, so pass this URL right now, passing this URL, group URL, and then we have to take this URL and search it. So for that, find that URL. Okay, we are correct. We will move with this group URL, where will be get data, put semicolon, and now we will pass that URL. URL means the DB data which we have passed it, and let's take this variable just now you have get from the URL. This is from your DB. Okay, so as you can see over here inside your group table, your URL column is there. So that URL I am getting it from there, and then instead of get we will do FIRST first, because we want only one data, right? So any one first data we will get that and get its ID. So we'll mention this as variable group underscore ID is equal to done. And now we will, with the help of this group ID, we will make the category data output. So let's bring out the category model, colon, where status not equal to 2, and also where status is 0. Okay, it should be 0, then only it should be shown karke we have to do, and get function, right? So this is the process which we are going to follow. So 2 means deleted, 0 means show. If it is 1 means it should not show. Okay, so the data will be over there. For example, this is my category. As you see, you can, I'll just show you in the DB. So where is the categories? So this is the category now. So guys, as you can see over here, status is 0. 0 means it should be shown in your front end. Okay, so it should be seen over here. If it is 1 means it should not be seen over front end, right? So for that purpose I am just making this 0. Cool. So guys, now let's pass this with category, copy and paste that category. Control C. It's collections folder. So let's see. Okay, we have made one mistake. Collections it is. Nice. Now it is perfect. And let's view the output. So for that we have to do for each loop and pass the category cate items. So category items data, fetch over here. Oops, we have to make in double curly brace. Take that and call its name, category item name. Let me mention, and let's check once the DB what it is called. Yes, name only it is. So guys, before that we will just show you what we are matching over here. So let us check. Okay, you are getting that. Nice. But we want to grade this by group ID also, so we have missed that. Let's add that where first is group ID only. So let's go to our category model, or your DB you can go. So category model, I can see group IDs over here. Copy this. So this means this database thing, group ID, right? So same thing. Let me close this and let's mention that group ID comma dollar group ID. Group ID, save it. That's it. And now whatever that group ID matches, it should show that data only. And after that you can move on it. So let's get back. Let's load the page, reload the page. Let's see what happens. Nice. Hey, mobile accessory, laptop accessory, television, featured products. So these are the details which are available over here under electronics. As you can see, electronics items. So till now, okay, till here it is 6 products is there, electronics items. So 7th is not available. See, done, right? So guys, we will just view this in one simple format. In for the image and all, we will just fetch that. I just want to take this in a card view. Let's make one simple banner for it. Let's tell this, make it in container only. Container, row, column MD12. Oops, how many mistakes? MD row, and this goes over here. Label example collections. Over here you can pass your group also. If you're not required, you can pass that. Let me show you. There is group ID, right? This group also you can pass over here if you require, or else you can take this data and match it. Let's just take this and we will use in different form, okay, different format to view the output. Not this. Okay, so let's pass this. Where is it? Yes guys, I copy paste and pass this group. That's it. Copy and paste. Group dollar name, this dollar group of name, and give forward slash card body. Fluid. That's it. Let's make this reload, and now you can see the design format, right? So that will be, guys, now this I have just paused the video and then completed the design as the time was getting exceeded. So I just completed the design with that continuation same part. Okay, so I have just added this image and the header thing and shown over this product view, right? So I'll just show you that output over here. So this was my design which I have added now. That's it. So it's a simple thing. This is was my banner and this is the product view, right? So over here you can see collection and row where column MD3 I have added at the card one, and then card body and the image. So image I have called that image path and the category items of images and the name, right? So nothing else much in this, simple. So this is all my output now over here. So as you can see, electronics we have clicked, we have got the electronics item. Now if I click on men, so I will get men items, right? So as you can see, men t-shirt, shirt, footwear, jeans and pants. So as you have added in this details, as you can see here, t-shirt, shirt, footwear, jeans and pants. So same output we have got over here. That's it, nothing much in this. So guys, now if you go to women also, you will be seeing some datas, right? So as you can see, if I going to click on appliance, so there will be no data because I have not added in this any appliance items. So that's why it is not shown over here. So guys, what we will do is that we will click on this electronics and we will continue doing the code. So let's get started with that. So now guys, this video is already exceeded, so we will continue in next video, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.